So Bonnie and Nathan have told me that they're putting a gym on the house plans. Great idea, lovely, it's just never going to get used.
You know, there's 6 of us in our family.
There's cows, there's dogs.
And there's going to be 4 big grown boys. So we wanted spaces that were off to the side with courtyards in between where you could escape to. So just off the kids' bedrooms, we've designed a kids' lounge room, and it's like a sunroom really. It's, you know, surrounded in glass doors and it's connected to a courtyard. So the Breezeway connects to the 4-car garage, to the cottage and to a gym. And the gym kind of sits at the end of the house and overlooks the tennis court, so it's a whole big sporty kind of area.
So this section here, Dave, is going to be the kids' little sneaky section.
Yep.
The sneaky section that I didn't think about that well because they can't stand up in it. The only request that I've had from the kids is that they have a secret room. And so I shoved this secret room at last minute. I mean, God, I'm supposed to be creative. I found a space within the house that had roof space. So I'm going to have a pull down ladder in the gym, and that's going to be their secret room. What is the distance from floor height to, say, the peak there?
1.3 metres.
This is the gym.
Gym.
Yeah. So you know how I live in the bush, like pretty much live in the bush?
Yeah.
So I had to have aluminium windows here. With Wideline it was good. It was probably one of the only companies I could find that did wood and aluminium. Meridian's the glass.
Oh, got you.
Yeah, so the glass in it is smart glass.
I put that in my void and the stairwell when it's north facing to just cut down on that heat transfer.
Yeah,
it's
really
like insulation. I love these, Bon.
Have I shown you guys the secret room?
The secret room in the ceiling
So
cavity.
that falls down and the staircase
It's like an
comes down.
attic.
It's an attic, yeah.
You're the best mum ever.
I know.
As far as I know, the kids don't know about the room, but I will say that Buster, Bonnie's second, Buster would know about it. Buster knows everything. Buster probably knows their budget or something.
See this? Boom. Boom.
Oh, love it.
Why would you not use Sky-On cladding inside? It's like, just use it everywhere. I could have clad the whole entire house and been completely happy. Look at that, how perfect it is.
And so, this is still the plan, this is the gym. Still the gym?
Yeah.
You're still going down that route of thinking that you're going to exercise or something? I guarantee you, that gym will not see the light of day.
I always wanted different spaces that you went to that came off a courtyard. So the 2 courtyards are kind of integral to the design. From every window, you're constantly seeing like a new little space outside. And we will go anywhere to get a frangipani or a palm.
It's the Luxaflex team. Welcome to Shea Bonnie.
A roller blind, reverse roll, Q motion with a fascia, a white fascia across the front is probably the most practical thing here.
In terms of reverse roll, Barry, I'm just going to put this into layman terms. Toilet roll.
Why am I layman?
Think of a toilet roll.
Love it.
You know, you either have it over the top or underneath. This is
Which way do you have it?
over the top.
Totally.
Yeah. So this is pictured not over the
No,
top.
I have it like that.
Yeah, Bonnie would totally have it like that. wouldn't
So
she?
impractical.
But Barry, what fabric choices? Because then that's the clincher.
There's a huge fabric
Is
choice.
there like a really nice sheer white linen?
So what we've got here is the Tempest Frost, which is an incredibly soft sheer fabric.
Whimsy.
Very, very whimsical.
This is going to block out some glare for the kids when they're watching TV.
That's all you need down here.
That's
Yeah.
great.
I love it. Thanks.
All right, done.
Yes!
Really nice.
Done.
I think with the Monia roof tiles that Bonnie's chosen, I think a cross between I'd call sort of coastal and like a farm. We are in the element. Wind, rain, hail.
My last roof got destroyed by hail.
Yeah, I remember. I got that call.
I was flooded for weeks and weeks. It was horrendous. So yeah, look, it needed to be durable and it needed to be something that I didn't have to worry about.
Yeah, well, that's the great thing about the Monia Elemental. It's called Elemental because it's designed for all the elements. We're going to demonstrate how strong and durable it is. So
Are we going to do a demo?
we're going to do a demo.
We've never done a demo.
I like it. I like
All right,
it.
you ready? Let's go.
Okay.
Okay. Oh my God! I'm doing it.
Oh yeah!
Yeah.
And look at this. Beautiful. Aside from a bit of dirt, not even.
Oh, nothing.
She's sweet, man.
She is.
Well, that's what you
sweet.
need for the hail. The kids' lounge room really sort of sticks out at the front of the house. It's so beautiful. I would have kept that as like the adults' retreat.
It's gorgeous.
Isn't it beautiful? Isn't this room beautiful?
I think it's one of the nicest rooms in the house and you've given it to the kids.
No, I completely agree with you.
It's like a satellite room. It sticks out on its own. It's got a courtyard, it's got outdoors, it's got decking, it's surrounded by windows.
I know.
And I just
Don't know why I gave
worthy.
it. Yeah, they're not. It's the funniest thing ever because it was supposed to be a movie room, and then I stuck 1, 2, 3 sets of French doors, windows in there, so it was like literally the brightest room in the house. These are our new additions. These are our 2 new ones.
Frangies?
2 new frangies. Our money tree we have dragged from house to house to house. That's a money tree. Did you know that?
No, it looks like dead rubbish.
I don't really know what a breezeway is. We've just been calling this passageway in the house a breezeway. I don't even know who came up with the word.
The breezeway.
Oh yeah, so then all the landscaping will happen around here, and what I've got is these like organic kind of stepping stones that walk. Well, the breezeway in my house connects 2 different spaces. It's got doors that open up and obviously a breeze can come in and out of that space. Got the main house here, but it connects to the other space, which is the cottage.
Okay, so Bon, we've got the decking off the gym? What's going to be the gym?
yeah.
Oh, is it still the gym?
Well, we like the room so much. We feel like it's wasted as a gym.
Felt that all along.
So weights obviously are heavy, and the weights that Nath has, which he was never going to use anyway, like seriously, he was never using a gym. It was all like, whatever.
They didn't take into consideration, you know, how much weight I lift. And
We realised that we hadn't put in enough supports in the flooring for it to actually be a gym.
I think that was just one of those things where we all want to have a gym in our house because we all think we're going to exercise and work out all the time and whatnot. So it is kind of the kids' domain now. The secret room is above the room that used to be the gym. They're absolutely going to love it.
Thank you, how exciting! Secret room. So I'm in the secret room and I've got Lauren here. Look at it, all these drawings on the wall. It's friggin' amazing. I've pretty much said to her, go hell for leather, which is good because she's amazing. Whatever she does, it's going to look awesome.
Who has space for 2 internal courtyards? I don't know anyone other than Bonnie. But she's got these in there. They are going to look great. It's like you've got a view of greenery from every room in the house.
As well as kind of being mainly positioned around the pool, which is an outdoor space, I've also designed it with different courtyards within the space. The placement of the plants is going to be really important here, and that's kind of why I've created these different courtyards so you can get those glimpses. Had a bit of a change of heart.
Oh.
Yes, in that this was always designed as the kids' kind of playroom area. And then I went into Oz Design and found that lounge. And
So
just sit on it. Just sit on it. So I swapped rooms.
Oh.
So I gave this room as our second lounge room to Nathan and I. Kids are going to have the back room, which was going to be the gym.
Oh, yeah, we always knew the gym was never happening.
And
Didn't we, Ez?
did we know that?
We knew the gym wasn't happening.
The rug and the lounge, even the artwork and the mirror, I kind of went just a little bit nuts in Oz Design.
I love this painting, Bon.
Oh gosh, that painting's been like, it's been a bit of an issue in our house.
Why?
Like keep eliminating TVs on Nathan. And I found the print and I couldn't go past it. I'm going to lose the battle one day because these are all Luxaflex block out blinds.
Oh. This is a total media room. This is for binge viewing on Netflix.
Low concept. Not only do you get an awesome TV cabinet, freestanding on the wall,
I know.
they come and they put it in for you. So this is the new Nathan and Bonnie room.
I love it. All right, done that room. We've done that. I think it's the perfect adults room because of the view.
It's like not in any way going to be their room because have you seen the lounge in there?
The Oz Design Lounge is possibly one of the comfiest lounges I've ever sat in my life. Looks beautiful. You can wash it. It is like sitting on a cloud.
All the furnishings, it's just like you just want to sit on that lounge and hug each other.
You're surrounded by glass and greenery.
I think those courtyards really help bring the outdoors into many of the internal rooms. So every window you look out, you see those internal courtyards. It's so beautiful.
It's a 5-acre property, but I wanted to have glimpses of garden everywhere, so you had to create courtyards.
It's a great idea to not just have grass at the front and back of your property, but inside your property.
Yeah.
I love going how the Breezeway connects the main house to the cottage. It's just a beautiful space and also a really practical walkway to get across from courtyard to courtyard.
I wanted to walk down, glass on both sides, throw open the doors and have these curtains just flow out in the wind.
So the one room in the house that I think will be the most frequented is that games room.
I know, that was going to be a gym.
All the way up the back corner of this huge, amazing house.
I knew it was never going to be a gym. It was too nice a spot in the house to dedicate to a gym. Like, just send Nathan out down to the local, I don't know, F45 or something.
So hubby's favourite lounge is the big blue bow concept lounge. Isn't that a mouthful? He loves it.
And the colour, dare I say, is very practical.
Yeah.
And it just suits the playroom and again brings in that boyish feel.
Lines, have you seen the mural that Lauren Webster did up in the secret room?
It's gorgeous.
That neon light in the playroom.
It's such a boys' club. It's like, you know, you've got your pinny machines. How does Nathan even find these things?
Too much time on his hands, not enough landscaping. Bonnie's designing the laundry of everyone's dreams.
Floor to ceiling cabinetry all the way. Whole wall is a dog washing basin. This room is going to be functional.
But it will look amazing. Will the dogs ever get bathed in it? I think it will be too beautiful.
That looks amazing. It's gorgeous, but we've run out of tiles.
It's horrible.
Oh my God.
I've probably gone a little bit over the top.
Bonnie!
Oh, I'm so devastated.